English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1, liable, machinery, neglect. Liable. Liable is an adjective. C1 learners usually know liable. At C1, liable means legally responsible for someone or something. Here are some examples. The company is liable for its employees' safety. The owner is liable for the upkeep of the building. If they do not pay on time, they will be liable for the interest too. Machinery. Machinery is a noun. C1 learners usually know machinery. Machinery refers to machines in general and often large machines. Here are some examples. He was skilled at handling heavy machinery. There will be a sale of farm machinery next week. Demand is strong for advanced machinery and electronics equipment. Neglect. Neglect is a verb and a noun. C1 learners usually know neglect. At C1, to neglect means to not give attention to something. Here are some examples. It is important not to neglect your bank statements. As children, we were neglected by our parents. After years of neglect, they started to renovate the house. Now write some of your own sentences with liable, machinery and neglect. Download the free C1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.